To begin setting up, start by flipping the machine upside down. Next, open the cover of the main machine. You will see a power cord attached to the machine. Put it out and set it aside. Get the cloth cover and roll it out. After rolling it out, set it on the machine. Snap the four ends of the cloth cover onto the dedicated holes on the machine by pushing it down. Make sure all ends are secured. Flip the machine to its upright position and pull out the hook. The dryer can now be positioned on a rod and is ready to operate. Unzip the cloth dryer. You can now store clothes and hang it to the rod inside the cloth dryer. You can hang as much as 9 clothes inside the dryer. The mode button allows you to control the speed of the dryer. Tap it once for normal speed. Tap it twice to double the speed. Tap it thrice and the device will go to standby mode. The timer button allows you to set the desired time, ranging from 1 to 8 hours. The light button allows you to turn on the light, which also cleanses clothes using UV technology. When folding the dryer after use, fold the hook first so you can lay the dryer down on a flat surface. Simply pull the cloth dryer from corner to corner to remove it. Alternatively, you can also store the cloth dryer inside the machine. Fold it until it fits the size of the compartment. Lastly, close the cover and the machine is now folded and portable.